Banlaw is a leading resource management business with extensive capability around engineering and manufacturing, enabling our customers to achieve best practice outcomes throughout the transfer, receipt, storage and dispense phases, including overfill protection. Banlaw truly understands the importance of stakeholder engagement from the very get-go in understanding the requirement for fuel management. What are those problem statements on site? Inadequate capability to track fuel, manual processes, free issue of fuel. Collaborating with our customers is absolutely imperative. It's really understanding the specific problem statements that they're having throughout the operation, whether it's product to ground, system pressurisation, short refuelling. We have a number of best practice products that are truly fit for purpose in enhancing value outcomes across your business. This may be as simple as our refuelling nozzle that has total adjustability to ensure optimum refuelling. We have 5 adjustable capability within the nozzle, and this is not widely known. This really optimises the refuelling event and reduces tank pressurisation and environmental spills. Banlaw's liquid resource management system is of commercial grade hardware and software. We also have unique patented capabilities to enable 100% traceability through auto ID tracked to the fuel consuming asset. It's through that real-time visibility, through the reporting suite. Different reports offer different value to different stakeholders, whether it be environmental, whether it be fuel tax credits. Our system gives compliance to enable those claims. Our customer success framework is built upon 40 years collaborating with our customers. We provide OEM standard templates and processes to ensure relevant value outcomes.